Hey guys, today I am going to unboxing Noice colorfit caliber smartwatch. Look at this watch. Look at the box. So guys, without any delay, let's get start unbox the smartwatch box. Let's open this box. This is our watch. This is our watch and this is inside the case, and this is charging cable, warranty card, and the sticker, and menu card. You can read. Talk about this watch price. I got this watch at 999 from Flipkart. It's value for money. So that's all for today. For full video, link in description. Please check. So guys, thank you.